more than like walking pace. And there's 3 parts of this video. The first part is that I'm just showing you how to put it into first gear while rolling, taking it out of first gear, putting it into neutral, putting it back into first gear. Then I'm teaching you the second part, which is when you feel a little bit of resistance, you're gonna give a little bit of gas and massage it into first gear. Then the third part is showing you just to bring the car to almost a stop, put it into first gear, then clutch out and accelerate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car in first gear, do my start from a stop, get the car rolling. I'm going to take it out of first gear, clutch in, take it out of first gear, put it in neutral, and then with the clutch still in, I'm going to put it back into first gear. I'm going to ease out the clutch and accelerate away, okay? So first gear, I'm going to let this car go by. So first gear, I'm moving, clutch off, I'm gonna clutch in, take it out of first gear, put it back into first gear, ease off my clutch, give a little bit of gas, and I can accelerate away. So I'm gonna do that again. So do my start from a stop. Car's moving. Gonna clutch in, take it out of first gear, put it back into first gear. Gonna clutch up, give a little bit of gas, and accelerate. Okay, again. Car's moving. I'm in first gear. I'm going to clutch in, take it out of first gear, put it back into first gear. Going to clutch up gently, give a little bit of gas, and accelerate. Do it again. Do my start from a stop. Gonna clutch in, take it out of first gear, just let the car roll, keep my clutch in. Gonna put it back into first gear, clutch up, and accelerate. Alright, an easy exercise to do. And now what I want to do, I'm going to do it a little bit quicker. As I go quicker, it's going to become harder to put this into first gear. If it becomes a little bit harder, what I want to do is give a little bit of tap of the gas, just a little bit of gas while I'm easing on the stick. Alright, so I'll show you how to do that. So if I feel resistance trying to put it into first gear, I'm just going to give a little bit tap of the gas, and it should just click in like that. So I'm gonna gas off, clutch in, pull it out, Going to try to push it in, some resistance, give a little bit of gas, clutch out, accelerate. So I'm going to clutch in, put it in neutral. Going to try to put it in first gear, little resistance, give a little bit of gas. It goes into first gear. I'm going to ease off the clutch very gently. Then I'm going to accelerate. So clutch in, trying to put it in, give a little bit of gas, clicks in, clutch out. Alright, so if you feel a little bit of resistance when the gear shifter wants to go in, give a little bit of gas and you'll feel it kind of click in. The shifter will kind of click into first gear, and then you can slowly ease off your clutch and accelerate away. The easiest way to just remember what to do is that as a car almost comes to a stop, ignore the speedo, don't worry about any numbers. As the car almost comes to a stop, slip it into first gear and then you can accelerate away. So watch this. I'm almost coming to a stop. Car's almost to a stop. Clutch in, first gear, smooth clutch out, accelerate. So I'm still rolling. So almost to a stop. So I'm going to put second gear. Almost to a stop. Clutch in, first gear, clutch out, accelerate. Almost going to come to a stop. Clutch in, first gear, smooth clutch out, accelerate. Almost to a stop. Clutch in, clutch out, accelerate. Third gear, almost to a stop, first gear, clutch up, accelerate. Second gear, third gear, braking, almost to a stop, clutch in, first gear, clutch out, accelerate. So you want to do it all before you actually come to a stop. If you come to a stop, the whole purpose is lost. You want to keep the car rolling so you don't have to do a start from a stop. Almost to a stop, clutch in, first gear, car is rolling, clutch up, accelerate. First gear, second gear, third gear. I'm braking, almost to a stop, first gear, car's rolling, clutch up and accelerate. So I'm not actually coming to a stop. Still rolling, first gear, clutch up, accelerate away. here's just a bunch of examples of me using first gear. If I'm going up a hill and the speed is maybe too slow for second gear, the cars are slowing down, speeding back up, slowing down, I can use first gear. So pretend traffic's slowing down, I put it into first gear, give a little bit of gas, creep in the traffic starts to speed up. I put to second gear. Traffic starts to slow down. I put to first gear. Traffic starts to speed up. Put to second gear. Oh, now the traffic's braking, slowing down. Put to first gear. So you can do that on and on. If the traffic's not fully coming to a stop, you can use first gear. And it's very helpful on a hill. Maybe I want to make a right turn into this driveway, but there's a pedestrian, so I'm going to slow down, put it into first gear, ease up the driveway, back to second. Maybe you want to go even slower than second gear over speed bumps, you just want to creep over them. So I come up to the speed bump, clutch in, first gear, gonna ease up the speed bump, get over it, go to the next speed bump, green light, gonna put it into first gear, hope these cars start to move. They start to move, clutch up, give gas. I'm on a hill, so I let the car roll for me.